Hurricane Harbor. We're chilling. He's 6'10", so he gets to stand like wherever he wants. Cause you know, why not? But we're gonna go have some fun today. We're gonna make sure we got some rides. It's gonna be hot today. Let's go ahead and have some fun, right, Samson? Heck yeah! Let's go!
Jump, jump, jump like a pogo. I just wanna see how low you go though. Jump, jump, jump like a pogo. I just wanna see how low you go though. Jump, jump, jump like a pogo. Jump, jump.
Ready for take two? I'm staying crouched like this for a minute. Oh yeah! Yeah, fool! Yeah, fool! Yeah, boy! Yeah! Yeah! I still beat you though, fool! I beat you to the bottom, fool!
They weren't supposed to get up.
Let's go, boys! Let's go! You rock, sucker! What is this ride called? The Tornado? Yep. Tornado. Here we can.
You want us to get out and give it a little push? I'll grab onto this switch. Oh wait, I'm not that heavy. Stand up for a minute.
Uh-oh. Cut the water off.
Yeah, the water's off, huh?
Yeah, they cut it off for a second. We'll try this, take two. Oh, yeah. Yeah, over there. Oh, we'll take do not step there. We both stepped there. Yeah. All right. Here we go. No, hold on. No, we're going dip. We're going dip, fool.
Jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump like a pogo.
Holy cow, it's hot here, yo. I can't even see myself. Oh, hello. Yay! Hi, guys. Whoa! Wow! Woo! Ah! Oh my goodness! Woo! Whoa, it's a wrong turn, yo. Yeah! Oh! Oh, that feels good. Oh, that feels good! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Excuse me, girls. Do you guys want to be in YouTube?
I'm down. Okay.
All right. What y'all think of the park so far?
It's too hot.
Too much exercise?
It's a lot of stairs.
A lot of stairs. That's good for your legs, though. No?
It's like too much. Yeah, it's like too much.
It's too much?
Elevators to get for the rides?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I like that. Elevators. Where are you guys from, though?
Antelope Valley.
Antelope Valley?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys? All right. Pasadena area. That's what's up. How long are you guys up here for? Just today, or?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. That's what's up. Oh, it's her birthday! It's her birthday! Woo!
How old are you?
You 20? All right. How old do you think he is? Take your shades off. He's 6'10" as well. He's 6'10". How old do you think he is? How old do you think he is?
Like
20. All right. Yeah, he's 20. All right. Six Flags right now, guys. Samson, how was it?
Dude, man, we had a terrific time. It was amazing. I was telling the truth.
I do appreciate you guys watching this video today. Hope you guys smash that like button, give that a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share this video because why not, right?
Why not? Why not share the love? Spread the love.
Spread the love for all of us.
Give it a share and a like.
And remember, guys, the best way to spend your day is with that guy Gabe. I'll see y'all later.
Having some fun under the boardwalk. People walking above under the boardwalk. We'll be making love under the boardwalk. Boardwalk.